So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video, we will be discussing upon a factor which severely affects the distillation process, and the factor which we are going to discuss today is weeping. Particularly in this video, guys, we will be focusing on the causes. More precisely, we will be focusing on the factors which causes weeping in distillation column. But guys, before we start with the factors which causes weeping in distillation column, we would first discuss about what is weeping. So guys, weeping is a phenomena which is caused by low vapor flow. Guys, the pressure exerted by the vapor is insufficient to hold the liquid on the tray, and therefore the liquid starts to leak through the perforations. Guys, excessive weeping will lead to dumping, and that is the liquid on the trays will crash, that is will dump through the base of the column, and the column will have to restart. Okay guys, weeping is indicated by a sharp pressure drop in the column and it reduces the separation efficiency. In simpler terms guys, weeping is the concept of distillation which refers to the phenomena where the liquid droplets are carried over from one part of the distillation apparatus to another. Typically, it occurs in the column of a distillation setup where the separation of the components takes place on their boiling point. Guys, weeping can occur when the vapor rises through the column and condenses into liquid droplets before reaching to the condenser. These droplets fall back into the column, impacting the efficiency of the separation process. So guys, to summarize in a simple words, you all know that distillation is a process which works on the principle of vapor-liquid contact. The better the vapor-liquid contact, the more separation will be achieved. And guys, the weeping is a problem which is related to this vapor-liquid contact. Guys, weeping is a phenomena where the vapor pressure is low in the column, and due to which the water which is there holded in the trays comes down due to the less vapor flow rate by drop onto the next tray and disrupts the vapor liquid contact, and this leads to less separation efficiency. Okay guys, so this was in brief about weeping. Now guys, particularly in this video, we would be focusing on the factors which causes weeping in distillation column. So guys, the first factor which causes weeping in distillation column is insufficient vapor velocity. Guys, if the vapor velocity in the column is too low, it may not effectively carry the vapor to the condenser, and this can result in the condensation of vapor within the column and it leads to weeping. Okay? Guys, the second factor which causes weeping in distillation column is column design issues. Talking about packing or tray design, the choice of packing material or tray design in the distillation column can impact the efficiency of vapor-liquid contact, and poorly designed or inappropriate packing can also contribute to weeping in distillation column. And guys, talking in terms of column diameter and height, improper sizing of column in terms of diameter and height can lead to issues such as inadequate vapor distribution or even uneven temperature profiles and increase the likelihood of weeping. Okay? Now talking about the third factor, which is temperature imbalances. Guys, non-uniform temperature distributions within the column can cause localized hotspots, and in these regions, vapor may condense prematurely, which contributes to the formation of liquid droplets and which causes weeping in distillation column. Okay guys? Now the next factor which affects the separation efficiency by causing weeping in distillation column is inadequate heat input. Guys, if the heat input in the distillation column is insufficient, the vapors may not reach the necessary temperature for effective separation, and this can result in the condensation of vapor within the column and causes weeping. Okay guys? Guys, now the next factor is on inappropriate column operation. Guys, inappropriate operating parameters such as inappropriate reflux ratio or inappropriate feed concentration or inappropriate or incorrect feed rates can lead to conditions of weeping. These parameters should be optimized for specific components being distilled. Okay guys, now the next factor is of high boiling component presence. Okay, the presence of high boiling components in the feed can contribute to vaping, and these components may not vaporize easily, leading to the formation of liquid droplets within the column. Here in these cases, due to high boiling components, the component does not have the tendency to form vapor, and due to which the vapor load will be less and the liquids will penetrate through the holes and come down to the next coming tray. Okay guys, so this will lead to whipping in distillation column. Now guys, the next factor which can cause whipping in distillation column is liquid holdup. Guys, liquid holdup on the trays in packing material can occur due to inadequate drainage or improper tray design. And guys, this can result in the accumulation of liquid and increase the likelihood of whipping. Okay? And guys, the last factor, particularly for this video, which causes whipping in distillation column is inadequate vapor liquid contact. Guys, insufficient contact between the vapor and liquid phases can contribute to whipping, and this lack of effective mass transfer can hinder the separation process severely. Okay? So guys, these were some of the factors which causes whipping in distillation column. To summarize this video, whipping in distillation column can lead or can be caused by various factors such as inefficient vapor velocity, column design issues, temperature imbalances, inadequate heat input, inappropriate column operation, then presence of high boiling components, then even liquid holdup, and inadequate vapor liquid contact. These all factors leads to issues like premature condensation of vapor, inadequate separation, and accumulation of liquid, ultimately contribute to whipping. Okay? So guys, that's all for this video where we discussed or focused on the factors which causes whipping and distillation column. And guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. And guys, for more video related to chemical engineering, process engineering, chemical safety, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.